can clap even if we can't hear you.
This is the book available for all of you, and every book will come packed like this in a film, and this book is the paperback and this is the hardcover, and every book is consecrated by Baba, and Ma will tell you in detail the importance and how this is possible.
Thank you everybody who's made the effort to be present here on a family day. Today being Dussehra, everybody wants to spend the time with their families. So we are very grateful that you made this special time out to come for this book release. I'm going to share a small leela with you before we start. There were queries as to what is the signature limited edition and what is consecrated by Baba. What does it mean? We have science souls who are connected with us at length and they know what a consecrated book is, and it is already written in surrender. But for the newcomers, I would like to share a small leela. All of you can see a picture of Baba here. This picture was placed here 7 years back. Baba's been here ever since. The leela is that in these last 7 years, this house remained closed for 5 years. It was in shambles. Everything possible was here, but this picture remained the way it is. Till date, we have never wiped this picture or dusted this picture, till date. And there is not a speck of dust on it ever. For the last 7 years, we don't touch the picture. We got a pair of charans in front. We go and bow in front of the charan and we just speak to Baba. The leela is that he is present here. The story has also been shared in the surrender. Baba had said that he will sleep in this house. This is that house where he had said, I'm going to sleep in the house, so mera bistar banwa dena. And we were in Bombay at that time, and we called up our caretaker and asked him to make Baba's bed every night at 8 p.m. and unwind it in the morning at 8 a.m. So that was being followed, and one fine day in Bombay itself, Baba says, वो मेरा बिस्तर बनाता है, मेरे लिए पानी नहीं रखता, मुझे प्यास लगती है. So we called up Arjun, our caretaker, and asked him, तुम पानी नहीं रखते हो, आज से पानी रखो. तो उसने पानी रखना शुरू किया. एक दिन अचानक बाबा बोलते हैं, वो मेरा पानी तो रखता है लेकिन उसको पोर नहीं करता, मैं पीऊं कैसे? तो हमने अर्जुन से पूछा, अर्जुन बेटा आप कैसे रखते हो पानी? इसे मैं बोतल में रखता हूँ और साथ में ग्लास उल्टा के ट्रे पे रख देता हूँ. तो हमने उसको कहा कि कल से पानी ग्लास में डालिए और उसके ऊपर एक पोस्टर रख दीजिएगा, बाबा को प्यास लगती है। सो ही स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग दैट। फिर 10-12 दिन के बाद बाबा क्या बोलते हैं कि वो बिस्तर भी बनाता है, पानी भी रखता है, लेकिन पंखा नहीं चलाता, मुझे गर्मी लगती है। तो हमने उसको बोला, बेटा रात को 8 बजे पंखा ऑन किया करो और सुबह 8 बजे पंखा बंद कर दिया करो। Why am I narrating this incident is, Baba does not need a bed, Baba does not need water, Baba does not need a fan. वो हमारी तसल्ली के लिए ये बात कर रहे थे, to tell us that I am present in the house. He made us verify everything he was saying by asking our caretaker, तुम ये कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे? So he was trying to tell us that I am here, and ever since he has not left this place. अब जब ये बुक रिलीज का टाइम आया, तो जो कि बुक पूरी प्रिंट को चली गई, जाने वाली थी, हमारी बुक पूरी तैयार हो गई, तो बाबा ने बोला कि पहले ही एक्चुअली बाबा की सबसे बड़ी लीला तो ये थी कि जब ये किताब बनी तो उन्होंने सबसे पहले क्या बोला कि मेरी कोई भी तस्वीर किताब में मत लगा। हम तस्वीरें ढूंढना शुरू हुए, and he said, no, you're not going to put any of my pictures in the book because I want everybody to know me in my formlessness. I don't want to be known in a fixed form, because I actually do not exist in any fixed form. इसके लिए उन्होंने इजाजत नहीं दी. Our daughter Mehkash was designing the cover, and we intended to put a 1-inch by 1-inch picture of mine at the back cover. जब उसने ये करना शुरू किया, तो every time she was reducing the picture started expanding. Each time she was trying to make it smaller, it was becoming bigger. And this went on and it kept expanding. And a point came after which her computer keys stopped working. And the picture froze to this size, as we can see. And she said, Ma, Baba has designed this cover. I had no control. इसके बाद ना तो वो तस्वीर छोटी हुई और ना ही बड़ी हुई. I could not do anything about it. And I was so embarrassed about it. कि बाबा की किताब है, Baba is not allowing me to put his picture, and I got this huge picture at the back, which I said I'm going to remove. And he said, no way, you will not remove, क्योंकि तुम मेरा सगुन रूप हो. And I was absolutely choked with emotion when he said that, because we all know that creation is one. Nobody is different. Everybody who has reached this level of Gurukul is aware of this. But when these words come from his mouth, the impact is totally different. So इसलिए अगर किसी को ये लगे कि माँ ने अपनी इतनी बड़ी तस्वीर यहाँ क्यों लगाई है और बाबा की एक भी तस्वीर नहीं है, उसके लिए समझ आइए कि ये भी बाबा की ही एक लीला है. अब जो है इस सिग्नेचर कॉपी में, लिमिटेड कॉपी में क्या है वो बताएं. बाबा के इमेज हर एक पन्ने पे है. Every page, are you able to see? Every page has Baba. Every single page has Baba. Then he made me write a little signed signature note for everybody, which again is only in the signature limited copy. Then he said that these copies have to be consecrated here. मेरी इस तस्वीर में, क्योंकि I am living here. His energy, his, आप देख रहे हैं वो फाइल्स हैं. कल रात को ये कॉपीज आई हैं और तब से हम यही कर रहे हैं. We are trying to concentrate every copy. The printer offered to send them directly to Science Soul, and we said no, you have to send them to Dehradun. We have to get every copy blessed by Baba before parting with them. The fourth thing he said कि हर कॉपी में एक विभूति डाली जाएगी. So we have packed every copy like this, and it has got vibhuti ka ek packet, which is coming courtesy Shruti and Sumit Dhawan from their Dwarka Mai in Dehradun. So these are very, very precious copies. और जिसके नाम की जो कॉपी है वो उसी के लिए है. आपको ये बाबा के बारे में पता है. और ये सारी सिर्फ 400 कॉपीज हैं. इसके बाद बाबा ने कहा एक और नहीं छपेगी. ऐसे जो अमेज़न में कॉपी जा रही है उसमें बाबा की क्या लीला थी. ये वाटरमार्क छप ही नहीं रहा था. बाबा की इमेज आ ही नहीं रही.
हमने अपलोड तो विथ वाटरमार्क किया.
और एक चीज और है, हर पन्ने में इस कॉपी के ओम तत्सत छपा हुआ है. ओम और तत्सत, जो कि नॉर्मल बुक में नहीं है. ओम एंड नीचे तत्सत. जो बाबा ने दूसरी कॉपीज में नहीं अलाउ किया, उन्होंने कहा बुक की शुरू में ओम लिख देना और आखिरी पन्ने में तत्सत लिख देना. तो ये बहुत ही स्पेशल बुक्स हैं. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, these are actually made by Baba, and he said this also कि मुझे जिसके पास पहुंचानी होगी मैं खुद का खुद पहुंचा दूंगा. So you are again those chosen ones who have selected and ordered these books. Please understand the sanctity of this. So they are being consecrated by Baba, whose presence is here for last so many years. He is living here. His energy is here. Believe. And that's why he made us bring all the copies to this house and get them consecrated. So that is the story about the consecration of his books. So that is what we mean by, and consecrated ka matlab hai they are made sacred by him. They are blessed by him and they are made sacred by him. So this is now a scripture for people who will understand. This is no longer just a book. He has changed it into a scripture with his blessing. So please understand. ये मैंने नहीं लिखी है. मैं सिर्फ एक कलम हूँ. The word written here is penned by. I am just his instrument.
Hello, Fuller. Shri Sainath, penned by Sainath.
Right? So it is not my book at all. It is his book. Please understand and read it with that. So I just wanted to share this. Now, the third thing we have got, our spine says sometimes to find the answer, one has to take a leap of faith. A few people thought we had mistyped and we did not know that it is leap of faith. But actually it is supposed to be leaf of faith. He is talking about which leaf? He is talking about वो पत्ता जो श्री कृष्ण ने भगवत गीता में बोला है कि तुम मेरे को एक फूल, एक पत्ता या जल भी श्रद्धा से चढ़ाओगे तो मैं उसे कबूल करूंगा. We are talking about वो पत्ता जो हम शिव जी के शिवलिंग पे चढ़ाते हैं, बेल पत्र. We're talking about वो पत्ता जो केले का पत्ता है, हर ऑस्पिशियस ओकेजन के मंडप पे सजाया जाता है. We're talking about that आम का पत्ता जो हर घर में दिवाली में तोरण के रूप में घर के बाहर सजाया जाता है to invoke the gods and goddesses. वो आम का पत्ता जो हवन कुंड में एक लोटे पे सजाया जाता है. So this is actually supposed to be, sometimes to find the answer, one has to take a leap of faith. Understand? So that is the intent of this line. We are talking about actually the leaf only. And here we have the leaf, which is the way to surrender. हमने खुद को बांध के रखा है, सिर्फ ये उंगलियां खोलेंगे तो ये ऊपर चली जाएगी. You will surrender, you will become liberated. So that is what this cover and this spine mean. I will just read a few lines which Baba has told me to share. Lovingly calls me Ma. In the first few weeks of our connection, it dawned that Baba always refers to me as Ma or Mai. At first, I thought maybe he was teasing me. However, as we got deeper into this journey, I learned that the word uttered by a master, irrespective of the mood it is said in, always comes true. It got confirmed when first the priest at the main temple in Shirdi in April of 2013, and then a Sai soul in October of 2013 addressed me as Ma. Then spontaneously, many started addressing me as Sai Ma. Soon, Baba started giving me the title of Ma Anusuya, mother of Lord Dattatreya, holding the energies of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Indirectly, Sai's mother, as Baba is the direct incarnation of Lord Dattatreya. For the Shivratri ceremonies of Shiv Parvati Vivaha, Sainath gave me the duties of Lord Shiva's mother and Ba, that of Rishi Atri, the father. In reality too, when Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati got married, Ma Anusuya and Rishi Atri fulfilled the role of Lord Shiva's parents. Baba's predictive words became apparent soon. Now, I am addressed as Ma or Sai Ma by all Sai souls, irrespective of their age and above all by Sainath himself. Hence, this book is penned by Sai Ma. May also be read as Sai and Ma or Sai's Ma. He filled my heart with immense love and compassion for all and taught me that only through mercy or compassion do we acknowledge and recognize others. While typing these words, Sainath is saying that to remove all my duality, he has blessed me with the title of a universal mother. When the experience of our authentic self and recognition of others is complete, the real happening takes place in our life. Sainath has led me to an intense motherly emotion where I relate to all as my biological children. I experience joy at their achievements, grief in their sorrow, pain during their ailments, and based on Baba's training, enforce strict discipline like a mother. Often have felt a void within like a real mother when due to ignorance, anger, and ego, some children decide to move on. Then the consoling thought comes that since he is the soul doer, souls will come and go as per their destiny. Besides, I realize that whoever comes to visit stays with the master, leaves or returns is no concern of the servant. Sai Baba trained us to remain calm and silent under all circumstances. Often, Sai Nath through our mouth test their faith and some succumb to the pressure due to the lack of understanding. As a mother, I always have their welfare and happiness in my heart, though I do feel concerned about them losing this golden opportunity of direct guidance by the Lord Himself. I pray for their wisdom to realize that we are just the channels or the mediums through whom He is functioning and conveying His messages. Gradually, Baba brought me to a stage where I started to feel compassion for all and began praying for total strangers. Sai explained to me that true devotee's heart is full of forgiveness, a spirit of non-violence, compassion, love, and above all, courageous patience, saburi. Thus, being addressed as Ma was never my decision. It was Sai's command, which I consider as an honor and privilege, and thus am joyously surrendered to his wish. The grace of a master is immeasurable. The belief is that as a touchstone, Paras, can change stone to gold by mere touch, the perfect master is, however, a touchstone who can convert a stone, that is a disciple, to a touchstone, that is to his own state of perfection. Then he becomes responsible for everything good or evil done by that devotee or disciple. The spiritual master can change a gross individual into a perfect soul. Thus, this is the original background of my unusual name, which came from him. Sai Nath has blessed me with the greatest gift and the highest honor any woman can be given. I most humbly and gratefully accept this title as the divine gift, a blessing full of Baba's love. Om Sai Ram.
So before we move to the next point on the agenda, we'll have a small interaction with the members. If anybody has to say anything, please raise your hand. We only have 10 minutes in which we'll try to cover as many as possible, but do not take too much time. No lectures, please. Just short and quick. You have to press your reaction icon of a hand so that we know who has. Is there anybody? No one yet? So we move to the next subject is
कुछ नहीं बोलना है.
our Sai Kamini. Okay. Unmute yourself and speak.
Om Sai Ram.
Om Sai Ram.
Yes, we are so blessed to be part of this. It is, Baba's grace for us all. Through you, immense gratitude to everyone. To be part of the Sai Consciousness family is a great honor. Thank you so much.
Om Sai Ram. Sai Mala.
Om Sai Ram. I just wanted to say congratulations, and again, I'm also very, very happy that the book has been released on such an auspicious day. Congratulations and thank you to Sai Baba and Saima and Sai Baba.
Same to all of you for having this book. So, we move to the next topic is about announcement for Anubhav. Gurukul 21 was the last Gurukul for all the Sai souls who have not attended the Gurukul or they have not been able to reach Gurukul 21. So until Gurukul 21, every Sai soul with the guidance of Baba went through most of the important scriptures. April 21 was the first Anubhav meeting. So now from knowing the truth, it's experiencing the truth, because knowing the truth is not important. Until and unless you experience the truth, how will you be blissful? Every scholar, every Pandit knows the truth. All the Pandits in the Mandir and everybody, when they have read so much of Veda and everything, they know the truth, but they have not experienced it. Because truth is beyond Vedas and Shastras. It cannot be experienced without the grace of a Guru. If you try to know the truth on yourself, you will never be successful, because it is so mysterious, so subtle, that it cannot be grasped. And one wanders into lifetimes and lifetimes. So we feel we were blessed to have a Guru like Sai Baba. And one of the first missions he gave us was connect souls to me directly. So our job is only one, that you connect to him directly. Remove us from the picture. And that is how now he wants the Sai souls who have finished the Gurukuls, they should go into Anubhav. So first Anubhav meeting was over. We have our next Anubhav meeting starting from tomorrow until next Thursday. So the details of the meeting are on your group, Anubhav group. We'll meet tomorrow for that. The next point on the agenda is there is a special announcement which Ma will make, and then she will also do the acknowledgements before I conclude the meeting for today. So I request her to make the special announcement and do the acknowledgements.
Special announcement, we had already hinted to people, some of you are aware, this place has been announced as an ashram. This house that we are sitting in, where Baba is living, has become an ashram. It will officially start from
November.
November sometime. Baba has not given the date. We will be sharing with you what Baba really is going to expect from people who come here. This is not going to be an ashram for a vacation or relaxation. This is going to be an ashram where your spiritual journey level has to be enhanced. यहाँ पर आपको साधना करनी पड़ेगी. So you have to come here as a sadhak. There is going to be a strict schedule which Baba has already told us, which has to be abided by to live in this ashram. He has given a few specifications. Maximum 4 people will come and stay at a time. 2 will come on a on a Sunday and leave on a Saturday. And then other 2 will come on a Thursday and leave on a Wednesday. So it's a 1-week stay with a regime to follow. as per Baba's guidance.
Basically, to help you all in your spiritual growth, away from the hustle and bustle of family, to actually make this opportunity, and his energy here will help you to enhance. There will be no lectures or pravachans or something like that.
He is going to again make you do anubhav only, go through the experience.
And it is not necessary we will be here.
Yes.
Because when we are not here, the occupancy will go to 6. But staggering. So that when one batch leaves and the next batch comes in, they know the basic rules and regulations. And the people who have already been staying are able to just guide them. There will be minimum interaction between the people staying.
As another guidance that family members will not come together.
Yeah. Sisters will not come. Husband, wife will not come. Like that. So he's making the rule book. Once that rule book is ready, it will be shared with all of you.
But it has been announced as an ashram.
Yeah.
And this place that we are calling an ashram, we have already shared with the Sai souls who are in touch with us all the time, but there are some who are new here. As I mentioned earlier that for 5 years, this place was closed. और यहाँ पर सब pests were available. Termite was there, rats were there. All the doors and windows were open because there were prowlers in and out of this place. And it was like a thorough mess, unimaginable mess. I did not enter this place even after that. And then Baba played a Leela. And today I'd like to offer my first gratitude to Sai Hemant. Baba ने उनके साथ, उनके थ्रू एक लीला रची और उनको हुक्म दिया, आदेश दिया इस घर को सही करने के लिए. और उन्होंने इसको बिल्कुल वापस, he has restored this place to what it was originally. Nothing has changed apparently, but यहाँ दरवाजों को दीमक लग गई थी. All those had to be changed. You know, when
सारे घर में leakage हो गई थी.
There was dampness.
There were bushes, wild bushes all around. It was.
Trees were growing out of walls. Yes. Everything. It was like an absolute, you know.
Like how Dwarka Mai was when Baba reached Dwarka.
So this is what he made it into. And Sai Hemant has literally resurrected this place. So we
Sai Hemant Kochar.
Hemant Kochar, yes. We don't have any other Sai Hemant.
Yeah, they don't
have
know.
One. And और बाबा ने सबसे बड़ी पता लीला क्या रची? He emptied his personal savings totally to restore this place. Like what he had done with Kaka Sahib Dikshit. But I hope people realize that those are the chosen fortunate ones. Baba never keeps a penny from anybody. He has promised that I return tenfold. But you have to have, he returns not necessarily in money. It could be health, it could be wealth, it could be happiness, and of course, it could be the greatest attainment of all, your self-realization.
Treasury is always full.
So there's ample of everything there, and he played this Leela with Sai Hemant. So I would like to, on Baba's behalf.
Let me see if he's here.
offer gratitude to Sai Hema.
Okay.
The next Sai who deserves gratitude is Sai Mala Ghosh. She has taken total charge of Saicon Fam USA. Without her, this book, this worldwide release would have been impossible. So with folded hands, we offer our gratitude to Saima. And she has also been indicated and mentioned by Baba only. We did not know her hidden talents. We did not know anything about her detail. And Baba himself said, call her up and get this work done. So she is another chosen one. And she has done a wonderful, exemplary task. Her devotion to Baba is so deep that she does everything with absolute faith. So it's a joy to have her in the fold of Saicon Fam. And we're very proud of you. Om Sai Ram.
One important Leela Ma should share is, before handing over the work, Baba made her resign from her job.
Yes.
Because she spent day and night.
She was not due for
retirement.
But Baba ne ek aisi Leela, she had been thinking about it for some time. But Baba played a Leela in her company. The choice was between her and actually not her. She was supposed to be retained and she was already at a senior level. And there was another person who was going to be made redundant, sent away. Mala sacrificed her job for that lady. And she actually took a voluntary retirement because that lady was a single mother. She needed the finance more. And so that was another great thing that Sai Mala has done. She actually voluntarily gave up her job. And Baba waited. 1st March was the day that she had just retired. And on 1st March, Baba gave us Adesh to contact her and give her this work. So Baba did not keep her retired at all. She's been on her toes day and night, trying to get things, to get the books published there. So we've been having meetings with her till 3 in the morning, 2 in the morning, everything. And so it is something so beautiful that Baba akaran kuch bhi nahi karta. It does not do a thing without a reason, which we do not know and understand at that point. But yes, as we go on, in retrospect, we realize what it was for. The next gratitude I would like to offer and acknowledge Sai Shruti Dhawan and Sumit Dhawan. Shruti has sent 400 packets of Vibhuti for the 400 special edition books from her Dwarka Mai. Baba gave that Sai Seva. He only gave that Adesh. And she did it and she followed. And another thing, Baba, about 8 months back, he said to Shruti and Sumit Dhawan that मैं उनसे दक्षिणा में इस घर की घास लूंगा. So the lawn in our present place, it is not our house, it is his home, please understand, is laid by Sumit and Shruti. So they have a nursery. Huh? So he does things like this. So we would like to offer gratitude to them. Even though they are not present, I would like to offer gratitude to Mr. Om Prakash and Mr. Rahul of the Thomson Press India
and
from where
Kushal and Kushal,
from where these books have been printed. Baba Ki
Press India Limited
is one of the best press of this country. Baba की ये सब लीला ही है.
And
बाबा ने एक भी चीज में फजूल खर्चा नहीं करवाया. उन्होंने, this book has not been professionally edited. He has himself edited. This book has not been published by a publish house because publish houses ask for an enormous amount just to accept it. This book has been published by Saigon Fam. He made Saigon Fam the publishers. Because after this, as we have already mentioned, this is a series. This is book 1 of the series, and Baba has given Adesh already for the following books. The next one, which I'm already working on, is the Samarpan, Hindi version of Surrender. So our gratitude for the people, they have, we have like, like Baba ne achanak bola ki this is a special edition. So we had to change first edition into, so we've been sending them changes and they have very nicely cooperated with us, the printing press people. I would like to.
Worldwide, otherwise all books are printed by Amazon in their own printing companies.
Then one Mr. Arjun Sharan, my son's friend, अगर वो नहीं होता तो आज ये किताब हमारे पास नहीं होती. कल रात को midnight, this boy has brought the books from Delhi to this place, driven in 4 hours and delivered the whole 400 cartons सारे लेके अपनी कार में. He has delivered these books to us. So a very, very special.
The printing got completed on 13th and 14th he's got.
And of course, I would like to offer gratitude to our children. First and foremost, this book would not have been possible. Last year, they gifted us with a laptop. हमारे laptops obsolete हो चुके थे. We had laptops, but so it came in their heart and mind that Mama has to write a book and she cannot do it on an iPad. So we should give them a laptop. So this is how the whole journey started. And after that, Baba Ki Leela, everybody knows how enthusiastic our children are about our science journey. In spite of that, their input is in every aspect of this book. Every aspect. Right from designing, from videos, from cover designing, from web camera, from layout of the book, from creating PDFs. Everything is done by our
social media post.
Every social media post is all by our 3 children.
They don't want to do it, but how they have done it?
But Baba has just taken them. They don't want to. They say, don't give us, and they do it. And when they see कि उनके बेचारे बुजुर्ग माँ बाप struggle कर रहे हैं, they themselves say, okay, we'll do it for you. This time we'll do it, and they've done it right to the end. सारी किताब, यहाँ तक कि ये भी backdrop भी आज हमारी बेटी ने ही डिजाइन किया. मतलब everything is done by them. So with folded hands, I would like to offer my gratitude to all my 3 children and my daughter-in-law too, who has been very supportive. Thank you so much. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Ba, because without him, my life would have been impossible. None of this would have been possible, because he is always there to support me in whatever we do. Always. And above everything, I would like to thank each and every science soul for being there, for all your support, all your love, all your doubts also, all your criticism, for everything, because they have only enriched my life in many ways. So I would like to thank each one of you who made the effort to be present today. I really, really appreciate everybody. And one thing Ba forgot to mention, today is the birthday of Saigon Fam. 15th October was officially Saigon Fam was launched. So you see, the coincidence is not a coincidence. How Baba?
And our daughter reminded us, Facebook पे आपका birthday दिखा रहे, मैंने कहा मुझे तो याद है.
So happy birthday to each one of you, because it is our family's birthday.
It's our family's birthday.
Right? It's been wonderful, and thank you so much, each one of you. You will be receiving your copies at the earliest.
The dispatches will start from Monday onwards.
Okay.
So
Hopefully,
thank you for waiting patiently, pre-booking well in advance, but the official dispatches will start and everyone will receive a tracking ID and everything then. And
right.
Please always remember, the person who gives you the book in your hand is Baba.
जो भी कुरियर वाला आएगा उसको कम से कम एक गिलास पानी जरूर पिलाइएगा,
या एक पत्ता या एक फूल,
एक फूल, जो आपकी श्रद्धा है, अपनी श्रद्धा और क्षमता के मुताबिक. Please welcome anybody who comes to deliver this book, because it's sent only and only by Baba.
And one announcement which Ma has forgotten is that apart from the costs, there is a small amount of dakshina which has been included in the book. And all the proceeds from the book will go for the mission of Saigon Fam. So it will be spent on the mission of Saigon Fam.
जो भी पैसे जमा हो रहे हैं वो बाबा के ही है और बाबा की ही मिशन के लिए है.
Use it.
Right?
So yes. Now comes the last job, is to conclude the session we had today. How beautifully, without any obstacle, Baba has, through his various energies of Lord Ganesha, Ma Saraswati and the Guru, made it possible for all of you to join today on this day of Dussehra and look forward to a copy of Surrender Now very soon in your hands. It is a precious gift to all of you from Baba, which can be as a guide. How with simple leelas, he has taught us the reality. He has made us experience this illusory world, and day by day strengthened us to remain steady, irrespective of the storm outside. He has not allowed us to be vaccinated. He says, I am the vaccine for you. Our children wonder why our parents are not getting vaccinated. I say, well, if the law says that I have to get vaccinated to travel and Baba wants me to travel, then I will think, both of us. So, with his grace and blessings, we are always surrendered to accept anything that comes in our life in a natural way with a equanimity of emotion, without getting hyper, without getting anxious, or without getting elated. So all have to experience this beauty of your own reality. I and Ma, we are not different from any one of you. In fact, the whole creation, the creatures which you don't like, the human beings which you don't like, in reality, we are all one. So what eyes do I need? What is the ointment do I apply to my eyes to have this vision? Only one. Surrender to your Guru. And even if he takes you through an experience of death, smilingly accept it. Because his lessons are not easy. They are not with cushions and roses and bouquets. They are full of thorns. Because he wants you to ripen. With comfortable things, you don't ripen. But with uncomfortable environment, you survive and ripen. And uncomplainingly. So, Shraddha is faith. Faith not only in Baba, but in everything what is happening. Saburi is cheerful endurance. That means you are enduring your pain, but smiling. रोते रोते एंड्योर किया तो कुछ नहीं किया कि मैं दवाई नहीं खाऊंगी और रोते रहोगे कि अरे बुखार हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया. Just keep taking his name. The whole universe will support you. You do not need Ma and Ba to support you. Please remember. We can only speak words which Baba tells us to speak. But your inner connection, don't leave it to the next life कि अगले जन्म में मैं direct connection बनाऊंगा या बनाऊंगा. यही जन्म में बनाओ. इसी जन्म में वो connection बनाओ. So your questions to us should be what help you in the journey. Not कि आज मेरा सर दर्द हुआ, आज मेरे को पेट में दर्द हुआ, आज नौकरानी भाग गई, आज ये हो गया, आज वो हो गया. Please remember. Please remember that what is important is your direct connection with him at the earliest. Don't leave it for the last minute. कि अब मेरे बच्चे बड़े हो जाएंगे, उनकी शादी हो जाए, फिर मैं फ्री होऊंगा या होंगी. He will help you. आप समर्पित होकर तो देखिए. So read this book, reread this book.
इसी साइंस सोल ने, 2 साइंस सोल्स ने कमेंट दिया है कि ये मॉडर्न डे की साइंस सच्चरित है. एक्चुअली ये बाबा ने एक साइंस सच्चरित ही लिखी है. आप इसको उसी मंशा से पढ़ेंगे. ओनली डिफरेंस है कि साइंस सच्चरित में कहानी है पर उसका सार नहीं आप समझ पाते. इसमें बाबा ने हर लीला के साथ ये बताया है कि ये मैंने लीला क्या सिखाने के लिए रची है. So actually people who want to go onto this spiritual path and reach their destination need to use this book as a reference book. You will find out.
चिपकना नहीं है कि अभी हम मरते दम तक इसको रखेंगे.
इसको समझिए और इसके आगे वाली जो है इससे भी ऊपर की स्थिति की है. बाबा के आदेश ऑलरेडी आ गए. So first you try to grasp what Baba. Please don't see it as Ma's journey or Ba's journey. It is your journey. किसी ना किसी के थ्रू तो उनको चैनलाइज करने ही होते अपने मैसेज. ये आप ही की जर्नी है. हर एक उस सोल की जर्नी है who is going through ups and downs in this life. हर चीज का जवाब इसके अंदर है. आप ढूंढिएगा और आपको मिलेगा. This is absolutely a promise that Baba has given.
Key to the treasure is within you. Don't look for the key outside. Don't search in Google. Don't search in pravachans. हर इस चाबी आपके हृदय में छुपी हुई और हृदय ही वो स्थान है. शरीर के किसी और अंग में वो चाबी नहीं है. अब बाबा ने आपको लोकेशन बता दी, स्थान बता दिया, ढूंढना आपका काम. और होना ऐसा चाहिए कि आपका मन, आप काम कुछ भी कर रहे हो, मन लगा हुआ है चाबी ढूंढ, लीन उनमें. जैसे अगर आप घर में सेफ में सामान रखते हैं और जहां भी जाते हैं, हॉलीडे पे भी जाते हैं, तो ध्यान सेफ पे जाता है कि सामान सुरक्षित है कि नहीं, ये है कि नहीं. तो अब आपका ध्यान होना चाहिए उस ट्रेजर में जो आपके हृदय में. वो चाबी ढूंढनी है आपने और वो चाबी से आप डायरेक्ट जुड़ जाओ.
जब आप उनमें लीन है तो आपकी जिंदगी की कोई भी रोजमर्रा की प्रॉब्लम आने नहीं वाली है. याद रखना. He will resolve everything. हाँ, he will test your patience और कई बार वो बिल्कुल लास्ट एंड मौके पे जाके रिजॉल्व करते हैं. वो देखते हैं कि कब तक आप इंश्योर करोगे.
आपको मृत्यु के द्वार तक भी ले जाएंगे
और फिर ले
आपको लगेगा कि अब तो मैं गया. चले जाओ, उनका आशीर्वाद से चले जाओ.
ले आएंगे.
लेकिन अगर वो वापस ले आए तो समझना आप पास हो गए. और अगर चले गए तो ये एक अश्योरेंस मन में रखना कि अगला जन्म आपका आखिरी जन्म और आप मानव जन्म ही लेंगे. अगर आपने उनको ध्यान में रखा तो फिर आप अगला जन्म मानव जन्म ही लेंगे और वो आपको उस जन्म में पार करें. क्योंकि बहुत लोगों की ये क्वेरीज होती है कि हम चाहते हुए भी कुछ छोड़ नहीं पाते या कुछ है. एक्चुअली ये शरीर जो बना है, ये बना ही उन इच्छाओं के वजह से. हर कण इस शरीर का सरेंडर नहीं करना चाहता. तो आपको इस बुक में बाबा की पूरी गाइडेंस मिलेगी. So with this few words, but 14 minutes of extra time, we conclude this meeting.
और बाबा ने कहा कोई आडंबर नहीं करना, इसलिए ये इतनी सिंपल रखी है.
सब कुछ so that all can join. Happy Dussehra once again, and God bless you and your family. Wish you all a happy spiritual life.
Thank you so much.
कौन बोल रहे हैं? 1 second, please. Somebody was speaking. चलिए. Om Sai Ram. God bless everybody. We are ending the meeting. Om Sai. And for all those who have not yet bought the book, please go to Psychon Fam website. The discounts are over, but that will be your added dakshina to Baba. और क्या मैं बोल सकता हूँ? ठीक है? Om Sai Ram. God bless you all.